Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OpenSea collection setup with royalties and verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the OpenSea website. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by connecting your digital wallet. Once logged in, click on your profile icon. Select My Collections from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create a Collection button. Fill in the collection details such as name and description. Upload a logo image that represents your collection. Choose a featured image that captures the essence of your collection. Set the banner image for a visually appealing header. Select the category that best fits your collection from the options provided. Choose a payment token, typically Ethereum or any supported currency. In the Royalties section, set your desired royalty percentage. This percentage determines the earnings from secondary sales. Ensure you read the term and conditions regarding royalties. To enable royalties, tick the checkbox confirming your acceptance. Proceed to the Social Links section, adding relevant links to your website or social profiles. Add any relevant external links that can provide additional context. In the Properties section, include specific traits or characteristics of your NFTs. These properties help buyers understand the uniqueness of each item. Next, navigate to the Unlockable Contents section if you have any special content for buyers. This could include exclusive access or special features. Review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Create button to finalize your collection. After creation, wait for verification from OpenSea. This process usually takes a few hours to a few days. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.